Welcome back. After release a wireless version of NP01S, VAXEE has presented the new NP01 wireless with 4K polling rate, and today I'm going to share my thought of this mouse. VAXEE always focus on the shape of mouse, so let's talk about the shape first. Compared to the white version, the shape of NP01 wireless has some change, including some placement and right thumb area. The angle of both plates become more smooth, which provide more free space for different kinds of finger placement. The thumb placement area after modified just fit with straight palm holding style. Right thumb area now are comfortable even if fingers straightforward. Although NP01 is a ergo-like mouse, it feels more like a NP mouse while holding due to the ultra-flat back. The curve of back home feels similar to my X2 Mini, but it feels wider in horizontal direction because it's a bigger mouse compared to X2 Mini. The weight of NP01 wireless is 71 grams. It's hard to claim a lightweight mouse in 2024. In fact, this is almost the most heavy mouse I bought in the last 3 years. The 50-gram differences compared to X2 Mini is noticeable. But the weight balance does well, so make this not the issue. Also, the additional weight brings us a incredible build quality. This is the most well-made and reliable mouse I have ever tried, and this is the only mouse I can squeeze the sound. The coating of NP01 wireless is also amazing. The friction this coating provides almost let mouse stick on my hand, but it's also let the stands easily left on the mouse, so remember to clean the mouse every day. Now let's talk about the sensor and 4K point rate of this mouse. VAXEE has bring us a 3395 cooperation with Pixar. Even without 4K point rate, VAXEE's competitive firmware provides this latency, which has been confirmed by many reviews. After trying a few games, I've noticed that this sensor can track every jitter of my movement. Definitely the most accurate mouse I have ever tried. The battery life is marked 35 hours with competitive firmware and 4K point rate, which is pretty accurate. During a week of use, I only charged the mouse about 2 times. If you prefer longer battery life, just switch to standard firmware and 1K point rate and there is 100 hours of battery life. The intensity of main click just moderately. Personally, I prefer super heavy main button, but at least intensity should be better for most users. The click just feels pretty good. Almost no pre-travel and few post-travel on the main click. Same as the side button. All clicks feels nice and responds in time. Scroll wheels are easy to scroll up and down and stay at same intensity whether scroll up or down. Again, personally I do like heavier intensity while scrolling, just like my X2 Mini, but it depends on person. Clicking of scroll wheels feels nothing special. I always feel clicks on scroll wheels are too heavy. This one just make me feel the same. VAXEE mouse has no software to deal with the setting. And honestly, I have some worry before I tried this mouse. And then I find out this is the right way to set a mouse for me, because I will never change the setting again. Also, I believe this is why VAXEE can achieve Lotus legacy. Left button change DPI and middle change point rate and right change click latency. There is a user guide on VAXEE's website, just follow it to do any setting you want. This is all I would like to talk about this mouse. I'm not a pro gamer, so it's kind of short. I bought this mouse for experiencing the solid quality from VAXEE, and this mouse indeed is a solid brick. To sum up, if you wanna try a solid quality mouse and doesn't mind the weight too much, or anyone that wanna change from ergo to NBM to ergo, this mouse definitely worth the price. Still, remind for small hand below 18 cm or thinner hands, I think NP01S should be a better option. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next time.